Hey guys, I'm Kimmy from Modern Techniques. So we are gonna do a whole entire course about color. What's important is there are laws to color. We do color on hair, that's our canvas. So when an artist paints on a canvas, we're just doing it literally on hair. Primary colors that we have are yellow, blue, and red. You can change them and you can make a million different colors out of these three colors. Isn't that amazing? So it's yellow, blue, and red. When you mix blue and red together, the law is it turns to purple. So you can mix more blue, less red, and then it makes a darker shade of purple. If you mix more red, it makes a lighter shade of purple. It's amazing the colors that you could do. There's so many different color wheels. And basically, it's really teaching you the law of color. It all still comes back from the primary three colors, all of these. So here we go. Here's yellow, there's blue, and there's red. On the back is just the different shades of yellow, different shades of red, and different shades of blue. It still has these, and these are in between. So when you mix these two, then you get red, orange, more of that. When you mix these two, you get the greens. And then when you mix these two, blue and red, you get purple. No matter what color chart, but it's always the same. This is so important because this is gonna be about hair and tones. And I always want you guys to understand that yellow, red, blue, if you're trying to cover up and make neutral, which here's a neutral shade, it's all of them. You mix blue, red, and yellow together and you have neutral. And these are levels and tones of hair. You guys have one of these on your station. Every color line has levels and then tones. So you got 1 is black, 2 is like almost black, 3 is like a dark chocolatey brown, 4 is a brown, 5 is a medium brown, 6 is a light brown, 7 is a dark blonde, 8 is a medium blonde, 9 is a blonde, and then there's light blonde. We have to lift up their hair and we need to match what level we're using, because that's gonna matter what color we use to get to what level we wanna go to. So here we go, dark, medium, and light. And again, this is another way to look at it. Black, brown, brown, medium brown, light brown, then it goes orange. These are pigments. This is a doozy. These are pigments that live underneath hair color. So what does that mean? That's this baby right here. And every single hair has this wonderful undertone. Doesn't matter what color line you're using. This is the key, and this is the most important thing. Color is color. Color levels, sometimes there's a 1 or there's a 2. But it's just one's a little bit blacker and a little bit less blacker. So important to understand. Doesn't matter what color line you're using. It always is the same principles. All right, so the color wheel also is used by so many people: interior decorators and designers, digital graphic artists, makeup artists, fashion designers, painters, photographers, magazine editors, furniture designers, jewelry designers, chefs, landscapers. It's amazing.